Codex versus Claude Code. So which one is better for that? So let's first start with Codex. So Codex is best if you want to save money since it's actually generally faster and cheaper, making it ideal for rapid prototyping. If you're just a solo developer or your team is small, it's actually recommended to use this one because it's more accessible and integrates well with existing tools. If your Codex is already integrated into many developer tools and environments, you can also head over and use this one. Now, if you want to use Cloud Code, you can head over and then take that into consideration if you work in an enterprise environment or a large team. If you also need a deep local code-based integration, Code excels at analyzing and understanding the architecture of large code base. It's also good and better for tasks requiring more robust documentation for its maintainability. It's also needed for coordinated multi-file edits, so I actually recommend this one if you want advanced features. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.